Recording your ideas into Ableton using the APC Mini Mark II is a fast and creative process. If you hold down Shift and press the arm record button, you can now use the function buttons to select the track you want to record on. You will also see empty clips are highlighted in red, indicating that you can use these to record your clip ideas. Now I'm going to be using track 4, which has some samples assigned using Ableton drum racks, which I'm going to record over my beat. Now if we press drums, this will pull up my drum racks, so I can now trigger my samples. Now let's go back to our clip view, and I'm going to trigger my loops. And now, on track 4, I simply press one of the containers to record my idea. Now as you see, we've recorded this all in real time, using our pads and our clips. Now let's overdub over the top of this beat. To learn more about APC Mini Mark II, head over to akaipro.com. Thanks for watching.